Hi, it's Paul from globaltradingsoftware.com, and this is a follow-up video to my Santa Rally video. I chose two stocks. One of them went hell for leather and hit the target and everything. The other one didn't even trigger. I wanted to go through both those stocks now and look at alternative strategies, especially for the one that didn't trigger. Now, when we are looking at Elliott Wave, this is CROX. This is one of the two. It didn't even trigger. I'm going to put the link to the original video in this description. You can see my analysis and setup and everything there. But my entry was 169.92 because I always like a start line for my swing trading when I'm swing trading stocks. And it has to get through that start line for me to enter that trade. And this is very important. This is a prime example why you need that and not to buy near what you think are the lows, because what you think is absolutely nothing like what the market's going to do. You need to make sure it's found support and it's starting to move away and it goes through your start line. Sensible entry strategies. In this case, CROX, actually we were looking for the Elliott Wave pulled back and we were looking for that fifth wave move, but the start line was outside of this 6-4 moving average high, which is part of that Elliott Wave indicator suite for those conservative entries. It never triggered. Then we had the wave 4 failure. This is where our original stop was going to be, this red line. Once we broke the Elliott wave 4 rules and it broke out of this red zone, to be honest, the short was on. And you know, if I'd have been active trading, I don't usually trade a lot during December, but if I'd have been active trading, I would have taken that short. Hands up, didn't take it because I wasn't that active. Christmas coming up and I never do too much during December. But again, those that were, once the wave 4 is broken, what we say is that the trend, the bullish trend, is over and it's going to come down, and that short was fantastic. Now, the second stock that I discussed during that video, I'm just going to re-isolate this Elliott Wave count here, was GSK 10580. GlaxoSmithKline. Okay, so again, this one went through the start line and hit the target zone. Very, very simple. Obviously, when I put those orders on, I put stop limit orders on. I said, hey, CROX, I want to buy at this price. Hey, GSK, I want to buy at this price. 42.18 was the entry here. The stop was below the wave 4 low. Again, go back and look at that video, look at the technical analysis for the setup for this, but the behavior of this profit taking pullback was just as good as CROX, but this support held and it moved through our start line and went and hit the fifth wave target zone. It does what it says on the tin. You know, we've got this automated fifth wave target zone in there for a reason. Risk reward 1 to 1.6, you can see there at 44.38. That's a great time to take profit. Or you can actually manage the trade and see if we can get a little bit of a burst there. But as far as Santa Rally is concerned, when you're looking for those stocks, yes, Elliott Wave's a fantastic way of doing that because you're looking for continuation of trend. So pull back at the beginning of December and then a bullish run through the rest of the month is what you're looking for. And a lot of stocks did that. But you need that start line. The entry strategy is so important when you're looking at and for these swings on these Santa rallies in December. It doesn't matter. I mean, it could be any time of the year, really. The start point is very, very critical. The Elliott Wave 4 pullback measures that and gives you a probability that it's going to go on and hit that fifth wave target zone. And in this amber zone there, that's 80%, and it did. And we made money. Where CROX is concerned, we've got to re-isolate that again because obviously it's not been in the markets as long. So I'm just going to re-isolate that with the Elliott Wave indicator suite there, 3946. So that original support was found in the red zone, so that's a 75% probability it's going to go on and hit that fifth wave target zone. So that's 25% probability it's going to fail. And again, I can't stress again how much again that we got to look for that sensible entry strategy to ensure that it's on our way. It doesn't matter if you're in a little bit late. The risk to reward, even with that sensible entry strategy, is at 1 to 1.6. So it's the same sort of risk to reward as that GSK that made it. So we've got a sensible entry strategy, and it never took us in. And again, when we get those wave 4 failures, you should be looking at this and saying, hey, do you know what? I'm going to go short here. That trend has failed. The wave 4 pullback zone, the red zone has been broken. I'm going to go short. And that was the resulting trade there. So again, we're basically 100% win rate on those two stocks because one didn't trigger, CROX, GSK triggered, went through that sensible entry strategy and hit the fifth wave target zone using that Elliott Wave indicator suite, which for swing trading stocks is one of the must-have indicator suites for your trading, whether you're trading on TradingView here, Thinkorswim, TradeStation, Ninja Trader, lots of different platforms. Check out the links below and please subscribe to this channel because we continually do these educational videos. It's not about just setting the signals up, it's about understanding why it happened, where's the entry strategy, where's the stop, how to manage the trade in other videos. And so this follow-up was there to show you that yes, we picked two great stocks. One didn't even enter, the other one did hit the target. The other one, there was a trading opportunity to the downside if you were actively keeping an eye on this stock. Hopefully that helps. Speak to you all really soon.